Hi everyone, this is Dinesh Sharma here from Raise the Bar with DS, and now it's my turn to show you how to do drills and dialogues for developing command over English language and developing fluency. Fluency is always believed as a hallmark of English communication. Whether you are in a seminar, workshop, presentation, or delivering a speech anywhere in public gathering, you people appreciate you for your fluent standards or good standards of English language. So for developing the fluency and spontaneity and unconscious competence over English language, we should keep doing this practice daily, regularly, and we should read out loud each and every sentence 5 times, at least 5 times. So let me show you how to read. I love my country. I don't like your attitude. Do I like this? Don't I like this? You love your country. You don't like my attitude. Do you like this? Don't you like this? We love your country. We love our country. We don't like your attitude. Do we like this? Don't we like this? They love their country. They don't like your attitude. Do they like this? Don't they like this? People love their country. People don't like your attitude. Do people like this? Don't people like this? He doesn't. He likes his country. He loves his country. He doesn't like your attitude. Does he like this? Doesn't he like this? She loves her country. She doesn't like your attitude. Does she like this? Doesn't she like this? It loves its country. It doesn't like your attitude. Does it like this? Doesn't it like this? Ram loves his country. Ram doesn't like your attitude. Ram loves his country. Ram doesn't like your attitude. Does Ram like this? Doesn't Ram like this? I'm sleeping now. I'm sleeping now. You are sleeping now. We are sleeping now. They are sleeping now. People are sleeping now. He is sleeping now. She is sleeping now. It is sleeping now. Ram is sleeping now. I'm not crying. You are not crying. We are not crying. They are not crying. People are not crying. He is not crying. She is not crying. It is not crying. Ram is not crying. Am I sleeping? Am I sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are we sleeping? Are they sleeping? Are people sleeping? Is he sleeping? Is she sleeping? Is it sleeping? Is Ram sleeping? Am I not crying? Are you not crying? Are we not crying? Are they not crying? Are people not crying? Is he not crying? Is she not crying? Is it not crying? Is Ram not crying? I've eaten food. I have eaten fruit. You have eaten fruit. We have eaten food. People have eaten food. They have eaten fruit. It has eaten food. Eaten food. People have eaten food. He has eaten food. She has eaten food. It has eaten food. Ram has eaten food. I have not eaten food. You have not eaten food. We have not eaten food. They have not eaten food. He hasn't eaten food. She hasn't eaten food. It hasn't eaten food. Ram hasn't eaten food. Have I eaten food? Have you eaten food? Have we eaten food? Have they eaten food? Have people eaten food? Has he eaten food? Has she eaten food? Has it eaten food? Has Ram eaten food? Have I not eaten food? Have you not eaten food? Have they not eaten food? Have people not eaten food? Has he not eaten food? Has she not eaten food? Has it not eaten food? Has Ram not eaten food? I have been working on this project for long. You have been working on this project for long. We have been working on this project for long. They have been working on this project for long. People have been working on this project for long. He has been working on this project for long. She has been working on this project for long. It has been working on this project for long. Ram has been working on this project for long. I have not been working on this project for long. I loved my country. I loved my country. I didn't like your attitude. Did I like this? Didn't I like this? You didn't like my attitude. You loved your country. You didn't like my attitude. Did you like this? Didn't you like this? We loved our country. We didn't like your attitude. Did we like this? Didn't we like this? They loved their country. They didn't like your attitude. Did they like this? Didn't they like this? People loved their country. People didn't like your attitude. Did people like this? Or didn't people like this? He loved his country. He didn't love your attitude. Did he like this? Didn't he like this? She loved her country. She didn't love your attitude. Did she like this? Didn't she like this? It loved its country. It didn't like your attitude. Did it like this? Didn't it like this? Ram loved his country. Ram didn't like your attitude. Did everyone like this? Didn't Ram like this? I was playing football, he was playing football, she was playing football, it was playing football, Ram was playing football, you were playing football, we were playing football, they were playing football, people were playing football. I wasn't playing football. I wasn't playing football, he wasn't playing football, she wasn't playing football, it wasn't playing football. It wasn't playing football, Ram wasn't playing football, you weren't playing football, you weren't playing football, you were not playing football, we were not playing football, they were not playing football, people were not playing football, football. Was I playing football, was he playing football, was she playing football, was it playing football, was Ram playing football, were you playing football, were we playing football, were they playing football, were people playing football, was I not playing football, was he not playing football, was she not playing football, was it not playing football, was Ram not playing football, were you not playing football, were they not playing football, were we not playing football, were people not playing football. I had visited Delhi, you had visited Delhi, we had visited Delhi, they had visited Delhi, people had visited Delhi, he had visited Delhi, she had visited Delhi, it had visited Delhi, Ram had visited Delhi, I had not visited Delhi, you had not visited Delhi, we had not visited Delhi, they had not visited Delhi, people had not visited Delhi, he had not visited Delhi, she had not visited Delhi, it had not visited Delhi, Ram had not visited Delhi, had I visited Delhi, had you visited Delhi, had we visited Delhi, had they visited Delhi, had people visited Delhi, he visited Delhi, had she visited Delhi, had it visited Delhi, had Ram visited Delhi, had I not visited Delhi, had you not visited Delhi, had we not visited Delhi, had they not visited Delhi, had you not visited Delhi, had people not visited Delhi, had he not visited Delhi, had she not visited Delhi, had it not visited Delhi, had Ram not visited Delhi. I had been living in Canada, you had been living in Canada, we had been living in Canada, they had been living in Canada, people had been living in Canada, he had been living in Canada, she had been living in Canada, it had been living in Canada. Ram had been living in Canada, I had not been living in Canada, you had not been living in Canada, we had not been living in Canada, they had not been living in Canada, people had not been living in Canada, he had not been living in Canada, she had not been living in Canada, it had not been living in Canada, Ram had not been living in Canada. I shall finish it, we shall finish it, you will finish it, they will finish it, he will finish it, she will finish it, it will finish it, Ram will finish it. I shall not finish it, we shall not finish it, you will not finish it, they will not finish it, they will not finish it, it will not they will not finish it, people will not finish it, he will not finish it, she will not finish it, it will not finish it, Ram will not finish it. Shall I finish it, shall we finish it, will you finish it, will they finish it, will people finish it, will he finish it, will she finish it, will it finish it, will finish it, will Ram finish it, shall I not finish it, shall we not finish it, will you not finish it, will they not finish it, will people not finish it, will he not finish it, will she not finish it, will it not finish it, will Ram not finish it, I shall be finishing it, you shall be finishing it, I shall be finishing it, we shall be finishing it, you will be finishing it, they will be finishing it, people will be finishing it, he will be finishing it, they will be finishing it, she will be finishing it, it will be finishing it, Ram will be finishing it. I shall not be finishing it, we shall not be finishing it, you will not be finishing it, they will not be finishing it, they will not be finishing it, people will not be finishing it, he will not be finishing it, she will not be finishing it, Ram will not be finishing it, it will not be finishing it. Shall I be finishing it, shall we be finishing it, will you be finishing it, will you be finishing it, will they be finishing it, will people be finishing it, will he be finishing it, will she be finishing it, will it be finishing it, will Ram be finishing it, shall I not be finishing it, shall we not be finishing it, will you not be finishing it, will they not be finishing it, will people not be finishing it, will he not be finishing it, will she not be finishing it, will it not be finishing it, will Ram not be finishing it. Thank you very much for staying with me, listening to me carefully, and I assure you that if you do this practice regularly every day, You will be fluent within a month's time, and you will never commit mistake unconsciously or consciously about making uses of tenses in your life. Thank you very much.